Continuing with the chapter ledger, I told you the method of posting entries, transferring entries from books of journal to different accounts is known as ledger posting or ledger V. Account is also known as ledger. So we transfer entries from different different books, books of journal or subsidiary books to different ledgers is known as ledger posting. And ledger posting is very important. As I told you, I gave you the example of cash account and how the entries are transferred to that particular account, particular cash account. So today I will tell you how to balance the accounts. How to balance the account means how will you total and how you will write the balance. Again, for this you open the same illustration number 1. Everybody will open illustration number 1. Injamam, turn on the cameras. Illustration number 1, closing of different account, closing and balancing of different accounts. Closing and balancing of different accounts is very important topic. Closing and balancing of accounts. In this, number 1 is closing of personal accounts. Personal account, closing of personal account. Personal account में आपके वो account आ जाते हैं those who are related to natural person, artificial person or representative personal account. Natural persons related to name different persons. Artificial persons, bank, other institutions. Capital account, right? And capital account represents the proprietor. Capital account represents the proprietor. Is a very important account. Then representative account, representative accounts, drawing account represents the proprietor, right? Accrued income, outstanding expenses, all these accounts will be balanced. Look at the first account. Look at the first account. Capital account. Capital account may you see the entry will be like this. This would be the posting. This would be the posting by cash account 2 lakh rupees. The first journal entry is cash account debit to capital account. Cash account debit to capital account is the journal entry. Cash account debit to capital account is the first journal entry और उसमें capital is credited. Because the capital is credited, the entry will be recorded on the credit side with the opposite account. Opposite account कौन सा है? Cash. Buy cash. Now we have to balance it. Balance it means we should know how much capital do we have? So what we will do, you just look here. We will total the credit side. The same amount we will write on the debit side, total. The same amount will be written on the debit side. Now, because on the debit side, there is nothing, so it means this is the balance. We will write here 2 balance carried down. Carried down means carried down to the next. From here, it will be carried down this side. If you don't want, you do not write this. But this balance on the debit side shows that the credit side is more. That the credit side is more than the debit side. Credit side का total कितना ज़्यादा आ रहा है ना, 2 lakh rupees. Debit side total is less. So we will write debit side 2 lakh rupees as balance. Debit side 2 lakh rupees as the balance. Are you getting how to total? जिस साइड का टोटल ज्यादा हो पहले उधर का टोटल कर लीजिए. सेम टोटल लिख दीजिए दूसरी साइड. फिर आप दूसरी साइड का जो भी टोटल है उसमें से माइनस करके बैलेंस लिख दीजिए. लेकिन बिकॉज दिस साइड, अभी तो डेबिट साइड में देयर वाज नथिंग, तो आई हैव रिटन 2 लाख. मान लीजिए यहां पर होता 50,000 ऑलरेडी, तो बैलेंस आता आपका यहां पर 1,50,000 rupees. Then the balance would have been 1,50,000 rupees. 2 lakh minus 50,000, which whatever is in the debit side. वो अगला वाला देखिए आप, विशाल ट्रेडिंग कंपनी. अब विशाल ट्रेडिंग कंपनी, ये विशाल हमारा डेटर है या क्रेडिटर, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? पता है विशाल हमारा डेटर है या क्रेडिटर, ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? इसमें लिखा है बाय परचेज. तो परचेज जब हम किसी से करते हैं वो क्या बनता है हमारा? When we purchase some goods or items from
creditor,
he becomes our creditors. इसका मतलब है the विशाल is our supplier and विशाल is our creditor. तो देखिए विशाल की क्रेडिट साइड में क्या लिखा है? बाय परचेज means from Vishal we have purchased goods costing 25,000 rupees. अब उसमें से हमने 5,000 की गुड्स वापस कर दिए, तो लिखा है टू परचेज रिटर्न 5,000. फिर हमने उसे 19,000 रुपीज पेमेंट कर दी. उसके बाद हमने उसे 1,000 रुपीज डिस्काउंट रिसीव कर लिया, तो कितना हो गया टोटल? 19 and 120 and 5 25,000 रुपीज. इसका मतलब we do not have to pay any amount to our creditor. Both sides are equal. We purchased goods costing 25,000 and in return we have already paid him the full amount. Therefore nothing is to be paid to him now. इसका कोई बैलेंस नहीं आ रहा है. No balance is there. अगर इसका बैलेंस आता तो हमें पता चल जाता कि how much we have to pay to him. Right? Credit balance. You have to balance all the accounts. Whatever accounts you will make, you have to total. Totaling का जो मेथड आपको बता रहे हैं, you have to follow the same in all the accounts. आप जब कोई भी अकाउंट बनाएंगे, यू विल गेट एन आइडिया विच साइड ऑफ दिस अकाउंट इज मोर, विच साइड ऑफ दिस अकाउंट इज मोर. So when you prepare that, जिस साइड का टोटल ज्यादा हो पहले उस साइड का टोटल आप लिखेंगे. जैसे इसमें इधर का टोटल ज्यादा था, इस साइड 2 लाख, तो आई रोट 2 लाख रुपीज. आफ्टर दैट इस साइड कुछ था ही नहीं, तो वो सारा का सारा क्या हो गया, बैलेंस. मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे दूं. सपोज यहां पर ऑलरेडी 50,000 पहले से होते हैं. तो आपका टोटल होता बैलेंस 1,50,000 ओनली. फिर 2 लाख नहीं होता. इधर का टोटल 2 लाख है, यू विल राइट 2 लाख, देन यू विल राइट दिस सेम टोटल. जिस साइड का टोटल ज्यादा होगा, दैट सेम टोटल यू विल राइट ऑन द अदर साइड. दैट सेम टोटल यू विल राइट ऑन द अदर साइड. और उसके बाद दूसरी साइड में जो भी टोटल होगा वो माइनस करके वट एवर विल रिमेन यू विल राइट. आगे बढ़िए. क्लोजिंग ऑफ रियल अकाउंट. कैश अकाउंट ओपन करिए अपना. क्लोजिंग ऑफ रियल अकाउंट. एवरीबॉडी कैन यू सी द कैश अकाउंट देयर. क्लोजिंग ऑफ रियल अकाउंट, कैश अकाउंट बना हुआ है आपका. उसमें लिखा है 2 कैपिटल 2 लाख, सेल्स 40,000, हीरो लिमिटेड 8,850, 2 सेल्स 12,000. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें टोटल ऑफ दिस कैश बुक, total of this cash book on the debit side, total of this cash book on the debit side, you see, understand this point very clearly. ये कैश बुक बनी है और उसमें कई सारी चीजें हैं. 2 कैपिटल, 2 सेल्स, 2 XYZ लिमिटेड, मतलब कैश बुक में पैसे जब आ रहे हैं इधर इस साइड में आप सारे अमाउंट लिखते जा रहे हैं और इसमें टोटल अमाउंट आ गया आपका 2,60,850. 2 लाख on the credit side. On the credit side also, there are different payments we have made. How we will total and how we will find out the balance sheet, how we will find out the balance. This is the main thing. So you see once again, first we will total the debit side, because in a cash book, debit balance is always greater than credit balance. With practice, you will come to know in each account which side should be more. Which side should be more. Cash book, cash is our asset. Asset, for increase is debit, for decrease is credit. सो असेट का हमेशा डेबिट बैलेंस होना चाहिए, डेबिट 2,60,850। और इधर की साइड जितनी भी चीजें हैं ये वाली आपकी कैश बुक में, उनको आपने टोटल करना है एंड उस टोटल को 2,60,850 में से माइनस करना है। तो पहले यही वाला टोटल हम यहां लिखेंगे 2,60,850। द सेम टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड विल बी रिटर्न ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड। अब ये जो टोटल आ गया है, इस टोटल में से ये सारा टोटल all these payments will be subtracted from this and the remaining will be balance by balance carried down का मतलब होता है carried down to the next month this side, and you will write here to balance brought down। यहां पर आएगा आंसर कितना आ रहा है 1,48,050। My dear students, once again, first of all, you have to total the side which is greater. First of all, you have to total the side which is greater, amount जिस side ज्यादा हो, then write the same amount in a parallel line in front of it on the other side. अब आपको पता चल गया that this total 2,60,000 ज्यादा है, उसी 2,60,000 में से how much amount we have spent? We have spent all these on furniture, drawing, wages, salary. We have made the payments, and when you have made all the payments, some amount is left. That amount is 1,48,050. इन सबको टोटल करके जो आया वो आपने 2,60,850 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, and the remaining amount you have got as the balance, cash in hand, that is known as cash in hand। और ये बैलेंस लेके आप दोबारा से इस तरफ आ जाएंगे टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन ऑन द नेक्स्ट मंथ। ये शो कर रहा है 1,48,000 on the debit side is showing that we have a debit balance of cash। Debit balance of cash means debit side is more than the credit side। Debit side is more than the credit side। Credit balance of an account means credit side is more than the debit side। तो जिस साइड का भी बैलेंस होता है उसी साइड, वो साइड बड़ी होती है, इसका मतलब ये होता है द साइड इज ग्रेटर, डेबिट साइड और क्रेडिट साइड। सो कीप इट इन माइंड दैट आफ्टर मेकिंग ईच अकाउंट you have to close that particular account also and find out the balance of each account। once you find out the balance of each account, then you will be able to prepare the trial balance। इसी में आगे बढ़िए, आपको देखिए ट्रायल बैलेंस दिख रहा होगा, एक ट्रायल बैलेंस ऑन पेज नंबर 13.13। ट्रायल बैलेंस, if you can see properly, there is a trial balance। and the format of trial balance is very simple। Trial balance will be prepared after making all the ledgers and balancing them। उनका टोटल बैलेंस निकालने के बाद you will prepare trial balance। Why trial balance is prepared? trial balance is prepared to know the arithmetical accuracy of our accounts. Arithmetical accuracy. Arithmetical accuracy means that you will be able to know whether all the accounts are prepared correctly and the amount entered is correct or not. Here you will write name of the account, ledger folio, and you will write the balance. You can see different accounts जितने भी आपने अभी इससे पहले बनाए, all the accounts which you have prepared, सभी अकाउंट के नाम लिखे हुए वहां पर लाइन से. All the account names are written there. It is written there capital account और उसका बैलेंस लिखा है क्रेडिट साइड में, because capital account always has a credit balance. Then there is Mohan Garments, उनका भी क्रेडिट बैलेंस आ रहा है. It means Mohan is our creditor. Then there is Hero Limited 18,000. It means Hero Limited हमारे डेटर हैं because it is showing the debit balance. Then there is drawings account. Drawings are our expenses, debit balance. Pawan Brothers 24,000. It is our supplier और creditor क्योंकि वो credit balance शो कर रहा है. Cash account debit. Furniture asset होती है debit. Purchase expense होता है debit. All these balances कहां से आए? That account you have prepared, and in all those accounts there are some balance either on the debit side or on the credit side. So when you will balance all the accounts, then you will prepare this trial balance, and when you will prepare the trial balance, at the end the total of debit and the total of credit should be equal. You see at last the total is 3,17,200 debit side, 3,17,200 credit. Both the columns should have equal total. If both the columns have the equal total, it means आपने जो भी अकाउंट बनाए हैं उनमें मैथमेटिकली दे आर करेक्ट. उसमें बहुत सारी एरर हो सकती है बट एटलीस्ट अर्थमेटिकली दे आर करेक्ट and the accounts prepared and the balancing done is okay. इसीलिए हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं आपका ट्रायल बैलेंस. तो सबसे पहले क्या किया हमने? जर्नल बनाई. जर्नल के बाद डिफरेंट सब्सिडरी बुक्स बनाएंगे आप. आफ्टर सब्सिडरी बुक्स यू विल प्रिपेयर डिफरेंट अकाउंट्स. अकाउंट को बैलेंस करने के बाद यू विल प्रिपेयर दिस ट्रायल बैलेंस. नोट कर लीजिए, दिस ट्रायल बैलेंस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट कैन बी आस्क्ड इन 4 marks and 6 marks in your exam. 4 marks or 6 marks in your exam. Very important topic it is, trial balance. Okay, anything you want to ask of whatever is told, you can ask. Anything if you want to ask of whatever is explained, please you can ask. Everybody keep your cameras on.
Sir.
Yeah, you ask.
Sir.
पूछो.
Hello, sir. Sir, why we have not read Vishal trading account in trial balance?
Vishal trading account. Who is asking?
Sir, Ashay.
Who is asking the question?
Ashay.
Vishal trading account. You see, Vishal trading account से 25,000 रुपए का सामान आपने खरीदा था और 25,000 की पेमेंट हो चुकी है. कोई बैलेंस ही नहीं है बेटा वहां पर. विशाल ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट को कंपनी हैज टू पे नथिंग. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नॉट इन द ट्रायल बैलेंस. अगर मान लीजिए
yes, sir. Okay, sir.
अगर उसकी डेबिट साइड में लास्ट वाले एक जगह है ना, उसमें कितने पैसे दिए हमने उसे, ये देखिए विशाल ट्रेडिंग कंपनी परचेज रिटर्न है वहां पर 5,000, सपोज यहां पर परचेज रिटर्न नहीं होती 5,000, तो डेबिट साइड का टोटल आता 20,000, फिर 5,000 रुपए क्या हो जाता बैलेंस, उसको आप ले जाते क्रेडिट साइड, फिर आप उसको यहां शो करते हैं विशाल ट्रेडिंग कंपनी 5,000 ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड, विशाल ट्रेडिंग कंपनी 5,000 on the credit side means we have to pay to Vishal, who is our supplier according to the question, and we have to pay him 5,000 rupees, remaining 5,000. So if our account total is same on both sides, then it will not be shown in the trial balance. If the total of an account of a ledger is equal on both sides, then there is no balance. आपको वो तभी शो करना है अकाउंट यहां पर when there is a balance, either debit balance जिसकी डेबिट साइड ज्यादा हो और क्रेडिट बैलेंस जिसकी क्रेडिट साइड ज्यादा हो. You have to show only one debit side, debit balance or credit balance. You don't have to show those accounts in which there is no balance. So this is all for today, my dear students. I have sent you the message yesterday. Tomorrow our class will have parent teacher meeting. Everybody has got the message? Raise your hand. All have to attend the meeting with the parent. You will sit along with your parent, either your father, mother, elder brother, elder sister, or guardian with whomsoever you are living. Got it? One who is absent, his 10 marks will be cut from the exam. I am telling you in advance. It is as compulsory as giving the exam. If you do not want 10 marks, you can remain absent from the meeting. At sharp 11 o'clock, meeting will start. All the subject teachers will also be there. Pooja ma'am will be there. Raj sir for mathematics. And physical, I think Vimal sir is there. Accounts and business, myself is there. So if you have any problem, if you are having some queries, you can ask. Tomorrow I will also explain you, tell you about the first term exam, how it will be conducted, how you have to keep different things ready. Don't say, sir, I do not have this, I do not know this. You have to learn everything, then only you will be able to give the exam. Certain things will be told tomorrow to all of you. So be present. Attendance will be marked. Recording will be going on. So everything is on record. If you are absent, I am telling you, 10 marks will be cut if you do not attend the parent teacher meeting along with your parents or guardians. No bhaiya bhabhi and this and that. Your parents or guardians only. Those who are not there in the meeting and your friends, inform them personally. But this message should be conveyed to all those who are not present also. That is why the message is sent in the group also. Tomorrow is the meeting after the class, okay? After your classes at 11 a.m. it is. So class will be there. So complete your work. Be present in the meeting in your school dress only. Thank you and God bless all of you. Yes.
Sir, from which ID we have to join the meeting?
है?
आप जो लिंक भेजते हो उसी से ज्वाइन करनी है मीटिंग?
जी same link. In the same link you will join.
Okay sir.